technology to setting molecules. I just want to ask, with the evolving generation of today, they have different sets of needs and expectations. So how do you manage to connect with them, influence them, or like address their concerns?
Well, it's difficult, no? That's one of, I mean, the kids, I call them kids, our kids know that. We always tell them, ano ba kayo, you're too different from the previous generations and all. But I think if we really, try to parang inculcate in their minds the values and the culture that we want for the company, eventually, we consider them young, especially the mga fresh grads. They're still trainable, diba? So, I think it's something that we try to do na talagang, these are our culture, our values, the important values. This is our culture. So, if you want to thrive or to stay in the company, you really have to make sure that you embody these values and really embrace the culture that we want for the company. So it's quite difficult, but it's fun because we have kids also, so we also try to, ask sometimes our kids yung mga, ba't ganito kayo, ba't ganyan? So it's fun yet challenging, but I think it's something that we like doing also, parang, kumbaga, we're trainers of lions, kumbaga. So we try to train them, but we have a lot of youngsters here na been with us for quite a few years already, some fresh grads, some second job pa lang. So I think we're good. We're on the right track. We're not saying we're perfect. We still have, those differences. It's not gonna be perfect, but we try.
Good afternoon, James. Pinapagalitan kami ng anak ko namin. We have Gen Zs in the house. We have 5 kids. And we have a borderline Gen A. Mas bata pa. She's 13 years old. So, sasabihin nila that the video you came out with, bagal. Hindi na ganyan ngayon. It has to be more snappy, faster, all the text and all of these things. So, it's an advantage because the moment our kids react, pag pinagalitan kami, it means lumampas na siya sa acceptable. Hindi na to acceptable. And then, we try to listen.
But sometimes, the kids react naman all the time. Sabi naman masyado kayo maraming pinaglalaban.
So we try to listen and try to align again with our customers. To create more content or materials or things that would excite, relatable.